Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to replace your engine air filter in your 2016 Volkswagen Jetta. First thing you want to do, open the hood. When you open the hood, when you release the lever inside the car on top here, you just press this. When you push your hands, you press this to open it from this latch here. Then you put the hood proper, the prop up to hold it, the pole. Alright, this is your air filter housing box right here. As you can see, there's four tabs here holding it, two in the back, but you cannot press these to open it because the air filter is held on by two screws from the bottom. So I already started. First thing you want to do, get yourself a pliers or a channel lock. You can take out this spring here, this one here, you can take it out, or this one. I took this one out, and this one here, just clamp it, push it back. These air duct hose, inlet hose. This is for the air coming in to the filter, and this goes to the engine. And this air tube also here. I think this is the one of the valve. I think the PCV valve, I think. And just push this back. There's no clamp on this, and just wiggle this out, wiggle this one out, and just pull it up firmly like this. There's two screws here. Get yourself a Phillips screwdriver. Take out the two screws from in here, one here and one here. I already started. When you finish taking out those screws, then you press on the tabs here. Press the tabs in both sides, and then you release the okay, so this tab here, this one here, just press this here, and this one, you press this to open it. As you can see, the screws in the bottom goes through the filter. Take your old filter out, put in the new one. Make sure you if it has where the flow of the air with the arrow, just put it the same way. And this one, it fits in here like this. Make sure it fits in all the way, seats in, and it's sealed all the way around, because it's gonna suck excessive air inside. That's it. This here, put back this goes like this, and this. Make sure it snaps in. Snaps in here, snaps in here, like that. Make sure it seats in all the way, like that. You put your two screws back. These two screws hold the top part of the air filter box housing together. Okay, so I already closed it up back, so I'm gonna put it back. This piece here is just extra tube. It doesn't connect to anything. So you just put this back like this in here. There's no these grommets here. It needs to, you need to make sure it fits in into these tabs here. There's 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna put it, line it up. Just watch it. Make sure it goes in. Make sure it lines up. Good. Yeah, I think that's good there. Just gotta apply a little pressure on it so it goes down on the grommet. Okay, this tool here is good. This one. Okay, this one is good. I felt that the clip to the rubber grommet, so you put this hose back here, just wiggle this in. Okay, that's it. This one, make sure this goes in good. I'm gonna bring this back right here somewhere. Okay, that's good there. This one, just press it back a little. Just gotta wiggle it a little so it can go in. Okay, so that's good. Make sure it goes in all the way. Okay, that's it. And I'm gonna put this spring back. Need a pliers to do this. This one is real quick. Okay. Okay, so that's it. As you know, Volkswagen, the German cars, they always make it hard to do stuff on it. It's not like a regular air filter you can change. Just snap the clips and take it out. This one, you got to take the screws out. It's not that bad. If you like the video, click like, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to see more videos, leave a comment in the comment section below. Share the video so others can learn also, and thanks for watching.